Charlotte, you gonna talk to Mom? Igga. Igga. Hi. Hi. Can you give me some squeals? Agga. Hi. Hi. Hee. Can you give Mom some squeals? The pressure's on now that the camera's on you. You got anything in ya? Aggi. Agga. Ba. Charlotte. Hi. Hi. Good. Hi. Hi. Come on. Come on, excited girl. Oh. What else? Agga. Agga. Hi, honey. Ooh. Can you laugh high? Your high-pitched laugh? Good. That was a cute one. What else? Good. What else you got? Oh, that's a sad one. I don't like a sad one. Go, honey, go. Go, baby girl. You got your nice blankie. Is this your nice blankie? You get ready for bed, aren't you? It's almost night time. But you were squealing, so Mommy had to come make a little movie of you. Make a little movie of you. Can you say bye-bye? Ah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, cute girl. Bye-bye, kicks. You love to kick. You love to kick. Yes, you do. And I love you. I love you, little one. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you so much. See you later.